Welcome to the assembly video of the Tesgo Challenger. Let's proceed to open the box. First, you find the accessory box and then the bike itself. Proceed to remove the wrappings protecting the bike. Carefully unwrap the saddle and set it aside for now. In the box, you will find a bunch of zip ties, product handbook, pedals, a bell, and a bag of tools. In another box, there's the charger for the Tesgo Challenger, cable, and charger instructions inside. Now, let's install the front wheel. Use the hex wrench to take the hub axle off first. It should come off smoothly. Now you are about to attach the front wheel. Don't rush this step. Gently pick up the bike and lower the front fork onto the front wheel as far as to not damage the brake disc. Then add a washer on top, insert the hub axle back, and use the hex wrench to tighten it up. Next, it's time to install the handlebars. Remove the screws first, and then proceed to mount the handlebar. Check that everything lines up and tighten the screws again. Next step, adjust the handlebars. Loosen and rotate the stem 90 degrees so that it lines with the front wheel. Keep the wheels between your legs to make it easier. Tighten the bolt, top bolt first, and then the bottom one. Push and pull the handbar to see if it's tight enough. If you feel movement, just tighten it a bit more. Next, we install the headlight. To do it, just use this screw. Proceed to install the saddle. The saddle has a scale that helps you to set it to your desired height. Open the clamp and insert the seat post into the tube. Choose your favorite height, which is mostly just a bit higher than your hip. Then tighten it up. Great job so far! Now let's install the pedals. The pedals should be attached to the correct side. When you received the bike, don't worry, you can tell which one is which because there are marks on the pedals. Screw the pedals in tightly using the wrench. Next, charge the bike using the port found on the side of the bike. Press the power button and welcome to Tesco. You can press the plus/minus button to adjust the level of pedal assist from level 1 to 5. Use the lever on the right-hand side to shift gears. Set the brake level to your liking and test by pressing the brake down to see if it works as you like. You can use the suspension locker to adjust the suspension level based on different terrains and how you like it. That's it. Your Tesco e-bike is ready to ride. Thanks for watching.